So first thing we're going to do is open Visual Studio 2010. So once you have installed OxyGen code 3.6, and also use select to have the add-in installed as well, you're going to notice this new menu item. So we're going to go right in there, and we're going to choose Create OxyGen Solution. This is the wizard for creating a solution. The first thing you have to select is the database you want to work against. Then you need to select where your files will be stored. Sample. Then right after that, you select your solution name. Notice that you're going to get the project names automatically filled in for you. The default is Visual Studio 2010, and the default framework is 4.0. You have ASP selected, and you have WCF services selected. You have the option to choose REST instead of the standard SOAP, but we're going to stick with the standard SOAP for now. So what you now have is the OxyGen code configuration for this particular session has been loaded up. You have a bunch of empty projects, essentially. At this point, what you want to do is select which database objects you want to work with. So we're going to select a bunch of them, not too many, so that the generation goes a little bit quicker. And that's it. We're going to generate code. So the pop-up is because we're using the trial version. And also the initial pop-up was about making sure that your work is saved. So you should always save your solution before you generate code. The more objects you have selected for generation, the longer it's going to take. So what is cool about this is that pretty soon you're going to see all the generated files are going to be automatically populated. The project files are going to be changed. The references should be all correct. And all you have to do is write custom code. So yeah, so the projects are being reloaded. And this is a typical Visual Studio behavior. So there you have it. You have the ASP web application. You have the business layer, the data layer, and right here you have the service layer for WCF. We choose to set this at the startup project, and we can just run it. So the web server has started up. Also, there you go, the WCF test client. That also means that the WCF service host has started up. Patience. Okay. So there you have it. Again, this is all default configuration. You now have your operations, your automatically generated operations, and notice that you have one service. One service per schema. So you have the human resources service interface, the person service interface, and the production service interface. So let's take a crack at the get all department. So we have that up already. I'm going to say get all. No, don't get all. One page and just return 5 of them, and you invoke that. And you have results. There you go.